Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by connecting the keyboard and telling Logic who it is. Plug USB or Midi DIN into your interface, then open Logic Pro and go to Preferences Midi. Make sure the device appears and inputs are enabled. Create a new software instrument track immediately so you hear sounds while playing. Once done, set the track's input to your keyboard, enable record on that track, and set monitoring. This ensures immediate feedback and prevents latency surprises as you move on. Now optimize audio and routing so your performance feels tight. Open Audio Preferences and reduce the I/O buffer size to 64 or 128 samples. This cuts round-trip latency. Make sure the sample rate is sensible, 44, 1 or 48 kHz, so CPU stays manageable. If you're running many plugins, enable low latency mode while recording to bypass look-ahead effects. For external hardware, add an external instrument plugin or dedicated audio track and map MIDI channels, so notes and audio stay synchronized and easy to manage. Finish by recording and cleaning up takes. Hit record or use cycle for layered passes. Once you have a take, use the piano roll and MIDI transform to tidy timing, velocity, and articulations. Save a project template with your instrument patches and routing so the next session is instant. If you get no sound, first verify the track's input and monitor button, then check the MIDI channel and Logic's audio device output. Reboot the interface or rescan MIDI devices if the keyboard still isn't detected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.